Here, I would like to find the equation of motion for a two-level atom. Let's consider we have a two-level atom and a field is interacting with this level, and we have some omega r, the Rabi frequency. Then, and the decay from this level to this is gamma AB. And let start from the Liouville equation, rho dot minus iota divided by h cut, h rho minus 1 over 2 and gamma rho. So this is equation number first. If you look to this equation, we must know about the Hamiltonian for this system. And let the Hamiltonian for this system is, the interaction picture Hamiltonian is minus h cut divided by 2 and omega r and e to power minus iota phi e to power iota delta t a b plus e to power iota phi e to power minus iota delta t and b a. So this is the Hamiltonian for this system. We must consider the first part of this equation number first. Let's consider this one, h rho, and this is equal to h rho minus rho h. Let's say this is equation number 2. In this equation number 2, we must consider this term, h rho. This is the Hamiltonian for this system. And now I'm interested to find rho dot AA, rho dot BB, rho dot AB, and rho dot BA. To find rho dot AA first, I must consider this equation 1 and take the inner product of A with this side and A with this side to the whole equation. Then it means that equation, this one, A, rho dot A, this must be equal to rho dot AA, and then minus iota divided by h cut A, and here this is known as h rho minus rho h. We must expand the commutation relation h rho minus this and A minus 1 over 2, and we can also expand this and this, the anti-commutation, and this is gamma rho plus rho gamma and A. Now this is equation number 2. Let's take this term first. This term, A h rho minus rho h and A. We can write this as A h rho A minus A rho h A in this form. And then we can put the value of h, this one, and the value of this is minus h cut divided by 2 omega r and e to power minus iota phi e to power iota delta t a b plus e to power iota phi e to power minus iota delta t and BA. So this is the value of Hamiltonian I have considered here, and this is rho and A. minus a rho, and the value of h minus h cut divided by 2 omega r into e to the power minus iota phi e to the power iota delta t a b plus e to the power iota phi e to the power minus iota delta t b a, and the value of a here. Now this is very simple. Multiply this a with this side and a with this side, but there is you must be careful about this. This row is inside, so from this side it can act, and a this will be equal to 1, but from this side we have b row a, this must be row ba. So here minus h cut divided by 2 omega r, and this term is e to the power minus iota phi e to the power iota delta t, and this a multiply with this we get 1, but this term in, if you take this with this, then it must take the form rho ba, because this is b rho a, then we can write rho ba. And then if we multiply this term with this, then this will be equal to 0, because this is the orthogonal state. And similarly from here we can multiply this, but this is a row here, we must multiply this a from this side. If we multiply this a from this side, then this will be equal to ba, and this is orthogonal condition, and this term will be equal to 0. And if we multiply this with this a, then will be equal to 1, and we can have rho ab from this side minus e to the power iota phi e to the power minus iota delta t and rho a b, and this term minus h cut divided by 2 is common in both cases. Equation number 2. Equal to, if we put the value here minus iota divided by h cut, here minus h cut divided by 2 omega r, and the value of this we have already calculated, and this is e to the power minus iota phi e to the power iota delta t rho ba minus e to the power iota phi to the power minus iota delta t rho a b. And further this decay, minus 1 over 2 a rho gamma rho plus rho gamma and a. Let's take this term a gamma rho plus rho gamma a. It means that we can write this a gamma rho a plus a rho gamma and a. If we take gamma take out outside, then we have this state rho and this state, then it means that this is rho a. And similarly gamma, this state rho a. And here we have considered this gamma, this capital gamma. This is actually equal to gamma AB. So putting the value of this gamma AB and gamma AB, it means that this is 2 gamma AB rho AA. So the value of this is 2 gamma AB rho A. Putting this value, then rho dot AA, which is equal to this h cut cancel, minus minus plus iota omega r divided by 2 e की power minus iota phi e की power iota delta t rho BA minus e की power iota phi minus iota delta t rho AB minus 1 over 2, and the value of this term 2 gamma AB rho AA. So the final equation of motion is equal to iota omega r divided by 2 e की power minus iota phi delta t rho BA minus e की power iota e की power minus iota delta t rho AB. These two will cancel out, minus gamma AB rho AA. And similarly, you can find out rho dot BB. Take B this side and B this side, and similarly you can find out rho dot BB, and similarly rho AB, it means that apply A from this side, B from this side to this equation 1, and you can find out rho dot AB, and the conjugate of this will be equal to rho dot BA.